So, hello everybody. I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. So, here I'm starting video solution series for IS prelims examination CSAT paper number 1. So, here I will upload one by one solutions for the last 41 years for all the subjects: history, geography, polity, economics, arts and culture, etc. So the first question is, why is a plant called Rhopis juliflora often mentioned in the news? So the correct option is B. It reduces the biodiversity in the area in which it grows. The next question is, consider the following statements. Most of the world's coral reef are in the tropical water. More than one-third of the world coral reef are located in the territory of Australia, Indonesia, and Philippines. Coral reef host far more number of animal phyla than those hosted by tropical rainforests. So, which of the above statements are correct? So, the option C is correct, 1 and 3 only. The next question is, with reference to solar power production in India, consider the following statements. So, India is the third largest in the world in manufacture of silicon wafers used in photovoltaic units. The solar power tariff are defined by the Solar Energy Corporation of India. So, which of the above statements are correct? So, option number 4 is correct. Neither 1 nor 2. The next question is, which of the above statements best describes carbon fertilizations? So correct option is A. In, increased increased plant growth due to increased concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The next question is, the term 6 extinction is often mentioned in the news in the context of. So the correct option is D. Mankind over exploitations, misuse of natural resources, fragmentations, loss of natural habitats, destruction of ecosystems, pollution, and global climate changes. So next question is, which of the following are possible consequences of heavy sand mining in riverbed? Decreased salinity in the river, pollution of groundwater, lowering of the water water table. So choose the correct options. So correct option is B. Decreased salinity in the river and lowering of the water table. Next question is, which of the following has have immensely dried up in the recent past due to human activities? So the correct option is A, 1 only. Aral Sea. How is the NGT, National Green tribunal different from the Central Pollution Control Board? So the NGT has been established by an act, whereas the CPCB have been made by an executive order of the government. The NGT provides environmental justice and helps reduce the burden of litigation in the higher court, whereas the CPCB promotes uh, the cleanliness of stream and wells and aims to improve the quality of air in the country. So, which of the above statements are correct? So, option number B is correct. The next question is, consider the following statements. The definition of wildlife habitat is incorporated in the Foreign Right Act 2006. For the first time in India, biogas have been given habitat rights. And the Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change officially decided and declared habitat right for primitive and vulnerable tribal groups for any part in India. So the correct option is A only, 1 and 2 only. And the last question is, in which of the following states is Pakhudi Wildlife Sanctuary located? So it's located in Arunachal Pradesh. So thank you so much.